scary.
All right, we are ready to go. We're packed up. We got the four-wheeler. We got the camper hooked up. Got plenty of firewood, I hope. Sure you don't want to go? Last chance. I think it might be nice. All right, let's go.
All right.
Bye.
Off you go.
Stopping for lunch.
I'm out.
Alright,
Put y'all seatbelts on.
let's do this.
I'm gonna get some tissues. Put y'all seatbelts on.
Where are you guys going? All right, we're turning on our walkie-talkies right now, so and then we'll turn them off when we go hunting. Works good.
I like the deer. Nice.
Maybe you'll get a big one this afternoon.
Okay, we're gonna walk on up to the stand. I guess just walk on in through the back side over here.
Yeah, I think I'd stay out of that woods right there because that's a travel in it.
Yeah,
I would go down to the bottom of the hill
and then take a left and walk through the field.
left and stay underneath those trees. So
Yeah. Where I cut those
shadow.
branches down right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you come right up on it.
All right.
All right, and then I'll just be somewhere over the hill on the other side.
That'll be good. That's a good spot.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Good luck. See you tonight.
Okay. Good luck too.
Okay. Good luck.
The stand that we are using this morning served us well this entire week. It's a two-person stand and it's protected by woods on three sides. We used it several times this week and saw deer every time. This doe and her fawn came down off the bank to our left. We haven't had rain for a few days and the leaves were very crispy. We heard the deer every time before we saw them. The doe caught sight or wind of us and was not at ease the entire time. She kept peering our way to try to figure us out.
You're not even getting them on camera. You're getting the trees over there.
Because I can't see them.
Right after these two deer left the field, another three entered the field on the bank to the left. It looks like another doe and her two fawns. It's really exciting just seeing deer of any kind when you're in the woods. This was really special as it was my first time seeing a buck leave a scrape. If you're unfamiliar with a scrape, bucks will typically lick or bite a branch they can reach. Then they'll scrape on the ground with their hoofs, and then they'll pee in that area. This ceremony leaves their scent behind and essentially marks the territory of the buck in preparation for the breeding season. We probably could have culled this buck as he only had one antler and not very big at that. Definitely not very good genetics. After we got down from this stand, we went over to check out this scrape up close.
Alright, so check out this Jeep. It's been sitting so long in the woods here. Pine trees have grown up around it. Wagoneer. A few squirrels have made their home in here. Oh, wow. Look at all these nuts in here.
We spotted a buck walk out of the woods right in front of our blind.
Burp. Burp.
Let's get him to stop.
Burp.
Oh, you went straight down. Straight down. Oh, you went straight down. Straight down.
That's what I said. scary.
That was awesome.
Dude.
He didn't move.
I think he's dead.
What a great shot.
I think that's the small one Simon was talking about.
That's bigger than this one. It's 6 by 6.
I don't know. That's pretty small to me. Dang.
That was awesome.
You should probably tell Simon, right?
Another bug.
Oh my god.
It was getting pretty dark out here, and the deer was definitely difficult to pick up on the camera. He was a pretty good size, 6 or 8 point that I could tell, but he was staring right at us, and he knew something was up.
Get him. Oh, where he goes. Let's see where he goes.
I think he ran off, right?
That one was even bigger.
If you would wait.
Oh, one came in. Oh, yeah. I think we were too noisy. Look at that go. Look at this guy.
Oh, it
That's a
looks like I got
6-pointer. It's a wide 6-pointer though.
It looks like I got a shoulder.
So where's your bullet? Oh, so you hit it high.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not good, right?
No, I mean it went right down.
Yeah, but it's supposed to go low.
Okay, well. Yeah, that's where you should hit it. I think you got him right. That's where you aimed. Okay. Yeah, you hit him a little high, but
I hit him a lot.
all right, well, I gotta take your picture. Okay, you get over there. Hold on. You gotta hold him like this.
It's sad.
Okay. What? Oh, yeah. Kind of gross.
He smells like a dog.
See? Alright. Oh, that's awesome.
He's so cute.
Yeah.
It looks like a big slug. Look at that.
Oh,
That's nasty.
you must have hit his lung or something and he coughed it up. I don't know.
Man, but at least it was quick, so he probably didn't feel that much pain.
Yeah.
He said, sit on him?
Yeah, it's kind of like that.
That's,
Just get comfortable.
I feel like that's gonna break his bone.
Put
Are you
your
sure?
2 fingers like that. Yeah.
Oh, it's warm.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, that's fine. And I would take the knife and do it this way because you don't want to puncture that.
What do you mean?
It's just kind of.
What do you mean? Like that?
Yeah, hold it. Hold it that. Yeah, hold it like that. Just rip up.
I feel like I'm not doing this
And
correctly.
take your 2 fingers and just push up in there to get it. Yeah. There you go. Just rip up. There you go.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Did I get anything?
Yeah, just keep going. You just cutting through all that skin. You
I
that?
don't want to rupture
We're
it.
gonna leave his diaphragm intact there. It's fine. You're just gonna do that. You know, go on in there.
What is that?
Okay. You just part of his intestines. Oh yeah, perfect. Now you're getting it.
Oh, this is so disgusting. It's so warm.
Yeah.
Juicy.
It warms your hands up on a nice.
That's gross.
Get your fingers down there.
I am getting my fingers there, but I have this. What is that?
It's just where? What?
That.
Nothing. Just keep it right there. Keep going on.
Sure, but it's
Yeah.
colored.
We got to go all the way around his junk here.
I feel like I'm not doing this right. What's that?
This his innards starting to come out.
You are my God, praise
not enough room.
I got my tongue curled up. Focus, but
I don't know if I can do it with this gap routine.
yeah, that might be.
You can do a little extra.
Yeah, these are 25 tracer rounds. Oh, it's not fully automatic. It's semi.
What's the difference?
You gotta pull the trigger every time. All right, so.
Okay.
All right. Oh, there it is.
Theoretically.
Yeah. I'm turning the light on. I want to see this. Oh, that was cool. Shoot 2 or 3. Oh yeah, just finish it. Finish it off.
What?
Just shoot the whole round.
No, I want you guys.
No, I want to shoot the whole
No,
round.
you didn't.
Okay, fine. Here we go. Fire in the hole. Oh, that is so fun.
Praise the Father.